It is Monday, March the 7th, 2016, about 7:40 in the morning, 46 degrees. And I'm getting ready to go to Hardee's with Larry down on the North Charleston. It's time to visit the landfill again. Got some garbage. Looks like rush hour. There's cars there. Hardee's. Well, we've left Hardee's and we're here at Stop and Go. Larry's filling the truck up, said he needed gas. There was the usual group of friends at Hardee's. All the tables were full. Cows. Water. High tide. High tide. And a lot of water around Charleston. Here's the azaleas we're going to cut down. All of these next to the house, hopefully. It's 11:35, and I'll give you an update. We got all the azaleas cut out of there. Larry's come out of his red shirt. He got too warm. We got these azaleas cut, and there was stones all along the edge that we threw back against the house. Got all the azaleas here cut. We're starting on the other side. And out there's a load off the truck. And here's another load off the truck on the truck. This is how he's cutting them with the chainsaw. We got all that cleaned. There was two huge azaleas there. See the stumps. We're here at the side of the house. And got a load on the truck. Again. It's a little after 1 o'clock. My pile out there by the street is grown. This is the front. Showed you that before. And all this. Decided to leave that one azalea till the next time because it's blooming so pretty. We'll just cut it down next time. And there's all the back. And there's the pile now. Need Larry to go stand in front of it. See how big it is. It's 1:45 and we're here at Zaxby's in West Ashley to get a fried chicken house salad. Larry's gone in. He wanted to go in. And you can't see the sign anywhere, but it's Zaxby's. We got about 1/3 of the bushes cut, or maybe a fourth. There's a whole lot more in the backyard, but we did as much as we could with how much energy we had. So we were happy with how much we got done. So it'll probably take 2 or 3 more trips to get the back. It is really overgrown. There's Zaxby's, says so. Here's my salad. Leaves on the water maples are grown quite a bit. There's the sunset. It's 6:10. Looks a lot like last night's. I just took a long nap. Larry just about worked me too hard today. Looks like there might be a little bit of lavender up there now. I'm getting the fireplace or the fire insert ready to light. putting in the kindling, the pine cones and things, and every time I come outside, the sky looks a little prettier. So this will probably be the final shot. Good night. God bless.